In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in HubSpot CRM 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to segment your contacts so you can target messages, power automation, and keep your database organized. We'll walk through creating a list, choosing the right type, naming it clearly, adding filters, previewing results, saving, and putting your new list to work. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. From the main navigation, go to Contacts, then choose Lists. This is your home base for segmentation. Click Create List to get started. Think of a list as a dynamic view of people in your CRM that meet certain rules. The better your setup here, the more accurate your marketing and sales targeting will be later. Next, choose your list type. Active lists are recommended for most use cases. They update automatically as contacts meet or no longer meet your filters, which makes them ideal for automation and always-on campaigns. Static lists, on the other hand, are fixed snapshots. They're great for one-time sends or event rosters where you don't want the membership to change. Pick the option that fits your goal, because list type can't be switched later. Give your list a clear name so anyone on your team can understand it at a glance. Add context like the audience and time frame. For example, 2025 new leads or Facebook ads leads. Consistent naming saves time when you're building emails, reports, or workflows, and it reduces the risk of using the wrong audience. Now add filters to define who belongs in the list. Click Add Filter and choose the conditions that match your criteria. Common starting points include lead status set to new, lifecycle stage set to lead, create date set to this week, or original source set to Facebook. Dynamic time filters like this week or last 7 days are especially powerful in active lists because they keep your audience fresh without manual updates. You can combine filters to narrow or broaden your audience. For example, to create a hot leads segment, pair lead status set to qualified with last activity date set to last 7 days. Use and when contacts must meet all conditions, and OR when any condition qualifies them. Aim for specificity without overfiltering so you maintain a meaningful audience size. Preview your list to see matching contacts before saving. Check a few records to confirm properties and recent activity align with your intent. If something looks off, adjust your filters. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your list is now ready to use. With your list saved, you can send targeted emails, assign tasks to sales, or trigger workflows for nurturing and follow-up. Always honor subscription preferences and test on a small sample when launching something new. That's it. You've created a precise, reliable list in HubSpot CRM.